So in an aviary kind of a situation, the kind of medicine that we perform is different. It's more of a preventative medicine protocol versus where you look at the animal, decide, see if it's sick or not, and then give the medicine. So we practice a preventative medicine protocol over here. We provide antibiotics, antifungals at certain times during the year because we know that the birds could be prone to this, and that is exactly what aviary medicine comprises of. It's not that we're dosing each and every animal. There are ways and means to do it. We make sure that there is control over stress, environmental stress. Sometimes during extreme rainfall conditions, the birds will only roost. They will not come down to eat. And that essentially could lead to starvation. Because it is a relatively controlled environment, we make sure that when the rain subsides, we'll quickly put the food and water bowls out. But sometimes it rains for days, and what happens during that time? So we have to prepare the birds for these kind of adverse situations as well. And that is what aviary medicine is all about, because see, it's an open space, and you can approach the bird only when the bird wants to be approached. It will come to you only when there is food available, or if you train the birds, and that is what we typically do over here. So when I come, I make sure that I have a bag of treats with me. I know what my birds like, and I have got them to come and sit either on the palm of my hand or allow me to at least interact with them closely. And that is part of training that you need to instill in an open air aviary, because otherwise you will never know when your bird is falling sick. So what we do over here is not only aviary medicine, but there are sometimes obviously that our birds are sick, infected, and we put them in a different area. Birds are laying eggs, so we have an incubator. So what we do is that we regularly candle the eggs, make sure and see if those eggs are fertile, not fertile, have they gone past their expiry or due date of hatching, and that is when we remove them from the incubator.